Perplexity is a research tool that's designed to always access the internet when answering a question. But there is a way to prevent Perplexity from browsing the web, so the answer will be based from its training data. And also sometimes it might be useful for you, especially if you want to get an answer very quickly without having to wait for the tool to read thousands of pages to get the answer. So before you are creating a thread, you have to disable the Pro option right here. So click on it and switch to Auto. You can also switch to Reasoning R1 and Reasoning R3 Mini. Perplexity might have more AI models in the future, but basically do not enable the Pro mode. The Pro mode will guarantee you to access the internet, so just switch to the Auto mode. And also, I do recommend you to set sources for search. So click on it and disable all of them. Disable web, disable academic and social. Basically, it is going to be based the answer from the training data of the AI that you're selecting. Now, when you're done, you can start searching something on Perplexity. So for example, I want to know what is the latest iPhone model. Since it is offline, it won't know about the latest iPhone model. So it says iPhone 15 from 2023, but right now it is 2025 and we got iPhone 16 Pro if you want. So this is definitely outdated, and it is just showing you that it is not accessing the internet. It is just answering the question from its training data. So yeah, that's how you can prevent Perplexity from browsing the internet. Anyway, if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.